Good afternoon, people, and coming up on today's issue of Surely You Cannot Be Serious, I assure you I am totally serious, and my name is not Shirley. So these very attractive Tagasako XL rims, which are obviously very difficult to replace, had a couple of tiny little hairline fractures in them. So I took them up to the local machine shop and told them, weld these on a low setting, make sure you preheat the rim. The rim needs to be hot, otherwise you'll get distortion. And of course they just looked at me, stupid foreigner, you don't know jack shit, we'll just do it our way. And they did it their way. Goodbye Tagasako. I mean, look at that. But as this is Thailand, where nothing is deemed impossible, we are now going to skillfully rectify the rodgered rim. So we need a specialist tool for this next job. I've no idea what that tool is, so I'll just employ this F-off big vise, and we will just casually put a bit of roundage back into this bad boy. Right. I was thinking I need to employ, well, I will do. I'll need to employ a big hammer next. But we're not finished. Look at this. I'm going to be out on the track before sunset. Sort that bad boy out. I didn't get where I am today without getting to where I am today. That's a classic old Reggie Perrin quote there for any of you old British people. So, I reckon a little bit more of the old fettling. And oh, I've forgotten. Before we get too far into this job, there is an important ingredient. A lubricant. So we'll just employ some lubrication here. And we'll put the bottle over there, because we know full well if we put the bottle over here, the lubrication is going to spill all over the floor. Well, that, people, is almost like brand new. One more. Yeah. I need like extra. I need some extra ugga dugga on this, love. Where's my ugga dugga stick? Ugga dugga, ugga dugga. Oh, look what I just spotted. Specialist persuasion realigner. Beans! Oh, are we getting beans for tea? No, you can, well, no, I can have beans tomorrow, love. Everything stops for beans. Give it the beans. Yeah. Right, oh. I've noticed that my crankshaft trying to escape. Right. This kind of noise is not going to be good on the headphones, so I really advise you not to be wearing any. 3, 2, 1. Step aside, Minitron. I'm doing some adjusting in a skillful manner. That's really not doing my ears any good. Does it smell like fireworks? Is this stuff magnesium or what? Oh look, that's perfect, that is. Absolutely perfect. Let's just give that another tweak. Oh, this is easy. Right, so if I get a grinder, I'll just grind that little bit off there. And that's like brand new. Look at that, people. Right. I better be firing that back in the bad boy I'm riding in the morning. Hey, hey, Supercross track, here we come. I need some more lubrication. Right, let's get on the lubricants. Cheerio now.